Hey there, it's time for your weekly Wednesday White Glove Chuckle. What did the bowling pins do after they heard the joke? They fell down with laughter. You have the opportunity to still book your team to support Battle of the Realtors. Little Birthday Angels does a great job throughout the Treasure Coast of ensuring that all the children registered as homeless throughout the 3 counties is celebrated for their birthday, whether it's through their individual bags that are given one-on-one or through group parties and gifts at the shelter. It's an incredible sentiment. We all enjoy our birthday at White Glove Moving Storage and Delivery. We're proud to be supporters of this event from the beginning. Yours truly will serve as MC. It is next Thursday, October 16th, Vero Bowl, dinners included, lots of fun, lots of shenanigans, prizes all around for Spirit, first, second, and third place, and more. As a real estate community, we support and wish that everybody has the opportunity to own a home one day, and making a difference in these kids' life with Little Birthday Angels is really impactful. See you there.